Hello, fine girl. You're looking pretty. How you doing? May I,
Please, I'm here to see somebody.
well, I'm somebody.
No, not you. I actually came to see someone else.
Come on.
Chalo. Wait. Will tell Omunaga nunca, because Omunaga nunca. As soon as if we want to go at Tumbaco. Sugar dog, have you been that you break this bottle of Schnapp? You could have been finished. I will break this car and finish you.
Just imagine.
I will finish you.
Just imagine you. You need help. You need help.
Help.
Yes, you need help.
What kind of help?
You need help. Yes.
The only thing you can say that is I'm drinking. I am the only gentleman in our kindred. You know. Your own is that you are drinking. You are womanizing. I can do special. Why you go? Nabai. Oh no, doesn't no. Hi. Let me know if you need. Chai. Obanoko special.
Unemad. Oh yeah, don't worry. I know what you want.
Because we are not working in the same market.
You know what? Go. We are going to ATL.
Yep. So this kind of fine girls used to work here. No wonder where your money was going. Are you coming from the moon or from the sun? You will be my Valentine. If you know the kind of man that is talking to you, you could have come and enjoy this man here. Because I've stopped so low to talk to somebody like Ifrudia, this Ingilo, to come and that's what I'm